Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. We are here in the kitchen with Miss Allison Davis at Wild Thyme. And what are we doing today? This isn't a food meal, right? This is something different.
This is a liquid meal, I guess.
And I'll take it.
So this time of year, I think everyone's always looking for maybe detoxifying beverages or ways to detox, and also ways to lose weight, right? Any time of the year, really.
Really.
But, so I'm doing a couple of different options of a detoxifying beverage.
Okay.
Also, some of which will help curb your appetite, which I think is important, you know, when you're trying to fast or you're trying to, you know, focus on weight loss and in a healthy way. Got a little hair there? All right. So the first one I'm going to do is called Bulletproof Coffee. And it's been really popular. You do see this a lot with the paleo
Why is it called
diet.
Bulletproof
Well,
coffee?
you know, I don't know exactly where it got that name from, but it is almost makes you feel bulletproof, I think, is
After
what
you drink
the
it?
concept
Okay.
is. Yeah.
So it's very healthy, makes you feel healthy.
Yeah,
and
because you're
strong.
adding coconut oil or MCT oil to coffee and blending it up.
Really?
And so what happens when you do that is it's a medium chain triglyceride oil, which your body can absorb faster than any other oil. And with the coffee combined with the caffeine, you get an instant energy boost, and it also has that, gives your body that full feeling longer. So first cup of coffee, this bulletproof way, makes you feel like you're getting more energy than just a plain cup of coffee.
Fantastic.
And helps you to feel full longer. So
All
it's
right.
very quite simple.
Okay.
We're going to take some hot brewed coffee.
Okay. Very
2
nice.
cups here. And then we're going to add in, I've got the unrefined coconut oil. Get it in there, maybe 2 tablespoons worth.
Okay.
And then we're going to blend that up. So this is going to get nice and creamy and frothy. And she's stepping away, just in case.
There we go. Well, it smells good.
And that's it. You have bulletproof coffee ready to go.
And you just, and I've never heard of putting oil in coffee like
Yeah,
that
but do you
before,
see,
so
it's so
it's frothy,
Yeah, it's so nice and frothy. It's creamy.
Oh, it smells great.
And the coconut oil actually will give it a nice sweetness. So
All right.
take a look at that.
All right. Let me try it.
All right, and that is bulletproof
Ooh,
coffee.
nice.
Yeah, isn't that something?
I feel bulletproof already.
Yeah. All right, the next one I like to do,
Okay.
this one we were talking about actually before we started filming. I do this, and I try to do this every day when I can.
Okay.
But you can take hot water or even ice water and add unfiltered apple cider vinegar to your water.
I love unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Love it.
The benefits of this is really incredible. I mean, from the point of to teeth whitening, to weight loss, to helping with a sore throat or a stuffy nose.
Exactly. Well, and that's what we were talking about on the break, was how I mixed that with the lemon juice, the hot water, apple cider vinegar, and some maple syrup. And it totally helped with a sore throat that was going down into the chest area. It stopped it. It really, and I just drank like probably about 2 or 3 of these a day.
This helps regulate blood sugar. I mean, I could go on and on and on. So definitely invest in this. The last one is really easy, and this is something you could have in your fridge, and you could just always, you know, kind of be drinking this throughout the day. But lemon cucumber water, and the benefits was really just from being more of a weight loss and a filler, because cucumbers being a full superfood, you're like getting nutrients on top of nutrients in your water, and then also getting that full feeling as well. So it'll help curb your appetite. And also we've seen this in so many spas. It's great for your skin and your hair.
See that,
Yeah, so a lot of antioxidant, anti-aging properties as well in the cucumber.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing all this with us. I appreciate it. And for this recipe and many other recipes, recipes, head over to our website at WTBQ.com/Midday Kentucky, or you can head over to Allison's website at wildtimecooking.com, and we will be right back right after this short break. Cheers!